Alright, so on today's episode of Hopefully I Don't Fuck Up My Civic, we're going to try to be using solution finish to restore our trim. Alright, we're going to be using alcohol, some towels, and this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be trying to restore the trim. Now I know it doesn't look too bad. I actually cleaned it when I washed it 2 weeks ago, but I didn't go all the way. You can see it's still really faded on the back there. On the last episode, I showed you guys how much overspray the Mako paint job did. And here is something I missed. Oh, also, they oversprayed on my hood, everywhere. It's supposed to be black, silver. Look at that. I mean, it's not too bad, I guess. Oh, and this now has a glossy overspray from the clear coat, which, man, I really should have just waited to do this black after the Mako paint job, because I knew that this was a possibility. It was black and shiny when I got done with it, and now it's dull gray and glossy. Ugh. So we gotta get our special Honda tool here, custom. I had to ship this from Japan. Oh boy, there it goes. All right, while I'm down here, you can see my exhaust is hanging too low. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's real low. Ooh. Dude, that shit dropped. See, that's stock height over there. And then aftermarket over here. It's supposed to be bolt on. My ass. All right, fuck it. Let's get to it. One down. I don't know how many to go. Damn, it was just two? I had like 2 more slots. Oh well. Wait, is that just the body panel? What the heck? Dude. What the fuck? None of these are actually holding on a damn thing. They're coming off way too easy. Screw. Ooh. Okay. I think that's most of it. Oh shit, that's right. This doesn't fit. So here's another trick. Where's it at? Take this bad boy. Boom. There it goes. All right, man, I'm surprised these even stay on. These are coming out way too easy. I mean, a different point of view is, props to Honda. If they made them like this, and they don't come off on the highway, whoops. All right, here we are. Now you stop. I used this Meguiars plastic restorer, and you can see the clear line it leaves between the faded old black and the new restored black. Now we're going to try and see how the solution finish works off, because I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but the same thing with the side skirts. I stopped probably about there. All right, so after a light cleaning with some soapy-ish water, this is what they look like. Let me turn up the light. Now you can see here, this is where the Meguiars stops and the years of neglect start. You can't really tell too much on these because I think I might have been able to reach a little further, but here is missing the restorer. Same thing here. The backside are just hopeless. But now we're gonna wipe them down. All right, so this is what we're working with. Hopefully we can make these look brand new. Oh! Gone forever. Man, that shit's dirty. I should have cleaned it all, but oh boy, am I lazy. Well, I mean, they're pretty fucked up. Hopefully, I'll buy new ones, because these are just all gone to shit. So this is the final product, man. It came out real nice. Look how black that is, as opposed to what they looked like before. I mean, this one can't really be helped. They all can't, honestly. It's just three. I'll eventually end up buying new ones, but in the meantime, oh, I do now want to do this now, because why not? Why is it always the last bolt? It never wants. Dude, I swear to God. Okay, where's my hammer? Okay, so unfortunately, I couldn't get these little clips to come off because they really are so fragile that I don't want to risk it. So I'm just gonna tape. It's always like the last thing you do that just never wants to go your way. So I'm just gonna just be real careful with these. I'm just gonna go over it while it's in place there. I took out all the bolts, so let's see if we can get this done. All right, so here we are the morning after. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna give up on this because it looks a little darker, but look, the overspray, there's just no point, you know? I'll probably just get a new one or paint it later. But in the meantime, we can get back to installing these bad boys. Look at this. I mean, they're not brand new, but definitely better than what they started. Difference. See, totally black, and then compared to my tires, gray, and then black again. The side skirts really came out really good. Look at that. It's got like a nice little 30. All right, that's it for now. Until next time.